Hi everyone, a warm welcome to all. We have a Libra new moon in Chitra Nakshatra on 21st of October at 4 degrees of Libra. Mars, the lord of Chitra Nakshatra, is placed close to the moon and the sun in Libra. And this confirms that this new moon becomes a turning point, a moment that demands our attention and promises some movement or some change from here. Such a placement ensures that this time won't pass quietly. It carries the potential of a definite change, an event that leaves its mark for a long time in the coming time. See, Libra 4 degrees is right opposite to Aries 4 degree, close to the start of our zodiac, and this guarantees a new start with the world that we share with others, how we deal with others, that changes from here. The 4 degree point in Libra becomes especially very sensitive for those whose charts or whose planets are connecting here, and the days ahead may carry some strong signal of change here. The stage is set for some transformation where balance, relationships, our business, and our self expression in all these matters can be tested or refined from here. The new moon forms in Libra, a sign where it is ruled by Venus, and Venus stands in its position of weakness, debilation in Virgo, and it is 12th from this new moon. At first, this suggests a struggle with the matters of harmony, marriages, beauty, comfort in our life, or our relationship. But Venus exchanges its sign with Mercury in Libra here. This mutual exchange cancels the debilation, allowing both the planets, Mercury and Venus, to rise in strength rather. They both comes to their own sign. Instead of weakness, this creates an opening for clarity and some balanced negotiations wherever it is required. This can be used for any major negotiation or conversation in the coming next 15 days. Even where there is loss, some ending or release, new strength may be drawn from diplomacy, intelligence, some healthy discussion, and practical wisdom. We also have Uranus 8th from this Libra new moon, and this signals some sudden unexpected change of events that breaks the current norms and brings some hidden matters to light. Saturn and Neptune together in 6th house from this new moon. This shows that responsibilities and discipline cannot be ignored here. This combination reminds us that the reality demands structure and our dreams must also be tested against the factuals. Chitra is the star of creation and craftsmanship linked to architects, artists, and everything that builds beauty out of their vision. Its power lies in shaping things from imaginations. Under this new moon, creative forces awaken, but not without efforts. Here, the Nakshatra Lord Mars brings intensity, passion, and the drive to act here. But in Libra, this passion must be expressed through balance, fairness, and balanced relationships. The 1 7 natural axis of Aries and Libra are activating matters of self and others, independence and partnerships, authorities and compromises here. Libra new moon highlights balance between what we build for ourselves and what we share with others. On 23rd of October, Moon conjoins Mars at 27 degrees and Mercury at 29 degrees. This is a fiery, decisive alignment where words, our thoughts, and actions merge with our raw, some fresh emotions. Decisions made here may carry a cutting edge. As Mars energizes our emotions and Mercury lends its sharpness of mind. This is a day when actions and communication may spark breakthroughs or even conflicts if not tempered with care. So be careful this day on 23rd of October. And all this builds before Aries full moon in Bharani Nakshatra on 5th of November at 19 degrees. What begins with Libra's search for balance with this new moon finds its completion in Aries' claim for individuality. See, Bharani is ruled by Venus. It is the star of transformation, endurance, making the birth and death cycles of creation. The full moon here reveals the result of what was started with this Libra new moon will take some shape. See, to understand Chitra in depth is to recognize its dual nature. It is both a craftsman's and a warrior's nakshatra. Its energy is ruled by Mars, yet its symbol is the shining jewel, reflects artistry, some vision, and refinement. Its influence strives to create lasting beauty, whether in physical structure, relationship, or in our inner growth. The nakshatra Chitra urges us to take imagination and make it real, to transform our ideas into real form. When a new moon occurs in Chitra Nakshatra, it activates the universal balance between Mars's fiery action and Libra's quest for harmony here. It is the time to create consciously, not impulsively, to create life, to craft life with both strength and grace. Let us see how this new moon will impact us all personally. And do check your Aries Libra sign placement in your chart and also Mars ruled sign, that is Aries and Scorpio, for the impact. So here Aries is activating in a doubly manner. We also have the next full moon in Aries that guarantees some new beginning, and expect results related to these signs in next 15 days. And keep in mind that this is the time to create consciously, to balance our passion with wisdom, and to embrace any change with both courage and grace. Start with Aries. For Aries, this new moon falls directly into your relationship zone, making all kinds of partnerships and commitments the main theme with this new moon. You may feel a mix of harmony and conflict as you try to balance your independence with the needs of others. Some partnerships may begin some fresh beginning, while the strained ones may call for some resolution. This is also a very powerful time for personal agreements, contracts, and new collaborations. But do pause before reacting. Give space to others and use calm discussion to strengthen your all bonds. Taurus, for you, this new moon shines in your daily work and your routine, your health area. You may feel the need to reorganize your schedule, start some healthier habits, or address any imbalances in your work environment. It is a very good time to let go of any task that drains you. Focus on productivity that feels satisfactory and meaningful also. Introduce one small change to your lifestyle, such as healthier meals, stretching yourself, having breaks, or consistent in your sleep, and that will feel you more grounded. Gemini, creativity and joy takes your attention. This new moon encourages your confident self expression with clarity and some playful energy. If you have been feeling little stuck, some new inspiration may arrive for you. Relationship with your children also come into focus either through their support or some joyful activities. Engage in something creative this time. Maybe paint, writing, singing, or simply spending time with people who spark your enthusiasm. This is the best time to enhance your skill in any which ways. Cancer, your attention turns to your home, family, finances, even work or your emotional roots with all these matters. Libra new moon brings a chance to begin something new in your domestic life, such as moving, relocating, decorating your home, or deepening your family connections. Emotional patterns may also shift from here and offering some healing. Clear or clean a small a part of your home or create a space that feels peaceful and nurturing both. Leo, communication, learning, and short journeys are on your mind. The new moon encourages you to refresh how you connect with others, including your siblings, your colleagues, friends, or even your neighbors. New ideas can come quickly on your mind. So it is great time for some healthy discussions, study, or even writing. But before speaking, choose your words carefully and consider writing your ideas so they don't slip away. Also, share your ideas with your elders, bosses, or even your teachers. Virgo, finances, your family, and your values are highlighted. The new moon may bring a chance to reset your money matters. Any family conflict, do rethink on your spending habits or begin a new stream of income. Change is the key here. This phase is all about your self worth, how much you value your family, your time, and your energy, where you use them. Take one practical financial step, such as reviewing your expenses or setting aside some savings to build confidence in your stability for the future. Libra, this is a powerful new beginning for you personally. As the new moon occurs in your own sign, your goals, your personality, your appearance, health, and self expression are being reset with this new moon. This is the time to focus on your identity and take charge of the way you present yourself to the world. Set one clear personal intention for this new moon and focus your energy on building it step by step. Scorpio, the focus shift inward as this new moon highlights your spiritual, your hidden life, your inner world. Old cycles may close now, hidden matters may surface, and now rest becomes very important. Your sleep is very important. It is a time to release and prepare quietly for the next phase of your life. Spend time in solitude, meditate, or be with nature to understand what your subconscious is asking you to let go of. Sagittarius, your social circles and your community ties are energized. The new moon encourages you to look at your friendships, your group activities, and your long term goals. You may feel the urge to expand your network or join with some like minded people, reconnect with one old friend, or reach out to someone inspiring who can help you grow in life and update your talents, any new talents. Capricorn, career and your public life are strongly highlighted. This new moon may open a door to new recognition, new responsibilities, or some projects in your professional life. Your reputation is under the spotlight, so the decisions you make now can shape your future. Focus on discipline, be clear about your long term goals, and make choices that align with the image you want to build now. Aquarius, for you, this new moon inspires higher learning, travel, or your spiritual growth. It is the time to broaden your horizons, whether through study, some discussion, or seeking wisdom from different sources. Opportunities for expansion are near, but patience is needed here. Here, short travels can be very encouraging and expanding. Dedicate time for learning something new or exploring a subject that deepens your worldviews. Pisces, this new moon highlights transformation, finances, health, and emotional intensity. You may be asked to release your control or confront issues of trust and dependence in life. Dealing with your healing. Some deep healing is possible if you allow change to take place. Any change is the key to success here. Focus on one area where you feel emotionally or financially tied and take a step forward with clarity and renewal. That was all about the impact on all the signs. And to conclude, with this Libra new moon, the matters of balance and creation give way to confidence and support some renewal of things by the next Aries full moon in Bharni. Chitra's influence ensures that what is imagined now can be developed, and what was initiated under the new moon of Libra carries a spark of destiny here. The days in between can bring some powerful developments and the testing of our patience. And this time offers the strength also to reshape our life with a new vision. By the time the next full moon shines in Aries, Bharni Nakshatra, the results of this new moon can be seen, showing us what must be endured, what must be relieved, what will survive, and what next path lies ahead for us. That was all about this Libra new moon in Chitra Nakshatra. I hope this was helpful. Best wishes to everyone. Thank you for your time. Do share your feedback and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.